Hello everybody. Can you guess what I bought in this box here? My wife thought it was a gun. No, it's a alignment kit. From Whiteline suspension. So we're going to be doing alignment. Today I'm going to show you all how to use these on the 95. But once you have it all assembled, you need to also place a level here and kind of get it centered. And you need to have it leveled, and both these pieces here and here, same distance. And also put a bubble on your rod here. Same for the rear. See, here it is on the rear of the car. And you can see the level. It's right on the money. So that's good. And here's for the front. See, right on the money. I think it was at 0.4, which is, you know, close as I can get it as a human being. So it's pretty good. Yeah, see, I'm aligning the rod, and it's pretty much right on the money. Takes a little, you know, trial and error, but you can get it done. Alright, see, I have it rod nice and level. Right on the money. Can't beat that. And let's move on to the next steps. Then what you need to do is take your tape measure from here to the end of your rod on both sides, and make them equal. Okay, you're gonna make them equal, and then you need to raise these up evenly so your string alignment is about the middle in the middle of your rim. Okay, I'll show you later on in the video. Okay, once you have the strings attached, you need to measure from the center of your hub, which is like right here on my wheel. See, it's a little over 7 centimeters. Okay, and you're gonna want them even. The other side's the same, I've already checked. So all you have to do, if you need to move this, is just slide your rod back and forth, you know, slowly, to get this even. Now if we go to the back here, it's like just about, maybe not accurate on the phone here in the video, but it's about 7.5. See, it's about 7.5 too. Might have to move it a hair, but not a big deal. See, I moved it a little bit. 7.5. Let me check the other side. Seven and a half. There we go. Now we can move on. Whoop. Settle. Yeah, be careful. I'm that stuff on. 7.5. Still good. Yep. And go back to other measurements. Now, what I do suggest before you get the car where you want it to be on a level surface, roll it back and forth so the wheels are straight, like they would be going straight down the road. Okay. Now, you don't worry about steering wheel alignment, because those usually can be off. But you don't want to go by that. You just want to roll the car back and forth, the tires straight with the right. Then what we're gonna do is take your ruler. Now I'm using metrics because I don't. It's too hard to get an accurate measurement with standard measurement. Okay, let the string settle for a minute here. So I got the front here just about 4 centimeters. Check the back here. 4 centimeters. So that's like right on the money. It's not too bad there at all. The rears were very concerned on this vehicle because it had bent A-arms and I had fixed them. See the front of this driver's side rears about 4. We got almost 4.5. So we do have a toe out in the front here. I'm sorry, a toe in. Yeah, so this is towing in here. Half degree. I call it a half degree. Sorry, it's millimeter, not centimeter. Yeah, see, it's 4. 4 and about 4.5. Alright, now I'm at the passenger side, rear. See, it's about 4.5, just like the other side. Yeah, it's about 4 here. So it looks like both rears are the same, and I can't tow them out any more in the front of these because the bolts are maxed out. So I have to get some different bolts for the suspension to tow that front, because it's already maxed out. I was trying to work with it, and yeah, see, so they're the same. Find a good spot here. Really close, but let's check this driver and passenger side front. It's like they're pretty much the same. The front wheels are good, front alignment. So the rears are towed the same. So I'll have to come back to that later on. Try to figure out a solution for that. See, here's the wheels. Still leveled out. Now what you want to do when you're using this type of kit, sometimes the reels can be kind of funny. I had some weights, so I'm just going to bolt and that on each side. The reels didn't really lock up. One of them kind of, it's right out of the brand new, and the string kind of exploded inside, so I had to take it apart and rewind it, which kind of a pain in the butt. But looks like the car's pretty lined up, except for those I'd like to have the the rear front of the wheels towed out a little bit more. I'll have to see if I can find a solution for that. I don't even know if there's a solution. I might have to make something, because like I said, the bolts are maxed out. So the factory alignment bolts on the rear suspension, and so that's that. After some work and changing out the bolts on the subframe, I was able to get this evened out in the rear. See, it's like 4.2. .2. So we're good to go. Not too bad.